Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. It is Sarah Michaels here. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to grab and connect your funnel page to a link, okay? Whether that is a domain or there's going to be a paid and a free way to do this. And so I am going to show you both, okay? All right. So first of all, if you are building your funnels, now, keep in mind that if you start out with the freeway, that's absolutely okay. In fact, I know several like 7 and 8 figure earners who have nothing more than like a link tree and a milkshake website. So you definitely can get around that. It really just depends on how you want to build your business, what you want to do, if you're going to be using funnels as a way to grow. And if so, down the road, you may want to purchase your own domain, which you would have to pay for, right? So, like on GoDaddy. And by the way, if you have not yet already, go to sarahmichaels.com/vault. If you want to get a discount on anything that I use and recommend for business, GoDaddy is one of them. That's the place that I purchase my domains from. All of my subscribers here on YouTube, all of my community members, you are able to get a really sweet deal through GoDaddy. So go ahead, log into the vault, and you will get that on the membership page, just a FYI. Okay, so what you're going to want to do next. So let's say we're going to log into the funnel building platform, whatever one you are building your funnels on. If you are going through my free mini course, Instant Funnel Magic, and you are wanting to use and get all of my funnels, I'm currently using Duplicate, whatever you want to call it. I've also used ClickFunnels. So whatever platform that you're using, just log into that platform. I use and love both, by the way. So I just recently have switched over to Duplicate. So anywho, what you're going to do once you've created your funnel pages, now keep in mind if you are on ClickFunnels, it's the same thing. Just pull up the funnel page and you just want to go to the page for the funnel. Let's see here. Actually, let me grab one that has an actual link. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, let's go back here. Okay, so let's say we're going to go to Instant Funnel Magic. So pull up your funnel, and what you're going to see here is you should see some kind of URL. Now, if you did not purchase a domain or connect a domain that you bought, this is just going to be a subdomain of the platform that you bought it on. So it'll say like duplicate.com/ whatever the site name is, okay? So obviously, you could just grab that link and then you can paste that link wherever you want it to go. So, for example, if you are putting your links in a link tree somewhere, like you're like, okay, how do I want to word this here? Okay, so for example, if you are having like a Jordan Levesque type page where she's got all of these different links, let me find hers. Jordan Levesque, work with me. Let's see if this is it. Okay, so for example, if you're creating some kind of a link tree page like that, like this, each one of these buttons might take you to a different funnel or a landing page, correct? All right. So whatever page you've got all of your links on, whether that is the front page of your website, whether that's a free milkshake website or a link tree or whatever you call it, if you're going in and linking all of these, this is where you can grab that link that you see. Okay, you can grab that link, and then you can go paste that into there. So you'll go into the settings on the button, and when you go into the settings, it'll say, where do you want this button to go? So let's say that I was in here, right? I'm editing my funnel. I've got my links, and I'm going to pop these funnel links into my buttons. So this is where I would go in then, and I would add in the URL, okay, to make sure that those buttons are going to the right place. Now, if you want to. So let's say you want to be able to grab that link that you just created for that funnel. Okay, so let's say that I want to send somebody to my bridge page. Okay, so this is my funnel page. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that link, whatever link is right here for the main page. Okay, I'm going to grab it. Right, so you'll see like, okay, this is the name of the funnel. Now, what you can see here is that my funnel here inside, I'm using Duplicate right now. I purchased a domain from GoDaddy. And a domain, you guys, if you're brand new, a domain is just what you type in. It's like a .com, okay? That's what a domain is. It's whatever is on this screen right here in front of the .com. So instead of having a super confusing domain like duplicate.com / a bunch of random numbers, I went to GoDaddy again. If you go into my business resource vault, click on the GoDaddy link from the vault and you will get your first domain. It's like really cheap. I don't know if it's like it used to be 1 cent, maybe it's $1, something like that. It's a really good deal. Okay, so what you'll do is when you want to purchase a domain, you can go here and let's say that your name is like, I don't know, what do I have here? Let's say your name is Sally, what's a good last name? Sally I don't even know, McDonut. Okay. Let's say your name is Sally McDonut. All right, I want to purchase that domain. What you would do is you would go through the link in the vault here. You'd click on the GoDaddy and it will take you to a page that looks like this. You can type in whatever .com you want to purchase and then you'll add that to your cart. Okay, so you can see, look at that. It's 1 cent because I was going through that link. So you can get your first domain for 1 cent. Really cool. And then what you'll do is once you have it purchased, you'll go in and you can add the domain to your funnel and you can absolutely watch the tutorials that I have on that, okay? So if I wanted to connect a domain to my funnel, I could then do that. Now, this is the paid method, right? If you want the free way to do that and you don't want to have to purchase anything, you don't have to. What you could do is you could go to whatever funnel you're grabbing, and I want you to go to the home page link. It's going to be on the front page of your funnel here. It'll tell you what that path is. This is the funnel path to the home page. Now what you'll do is you'll go somewhere called bit.ly. This is a service called a link shortener. Link shorteners are super cool because you can create a free account and you can create your own links. So if I didn't want to purchase a domain, I could go like this. I could type in, so I would go grab that really messy, confusing, super long link that I just had. I would copy that. I would go on over here to Bitly, which is a link shortener. I would paste that into that thing and I would click on create, paste it in, and then you're going to go ahead and press on enter. Now, after that is entered, you can see that I can name my link and then I can also customize it. So you guys, this is where I would go ahead and say bit.ly / I'm just going to say instant funnel magic test funnel page. Okay. So now I have just created a custom link. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on copy. So now if I give someone this link, so see how it kind of looks a little bit better, a little bit nicer. So if I'm going to paste my link to someone in a messenger, so let's say that I just grabbed that, or I want to create an instant reply in one of my messages or wherever I'm going to put this link, I've just made it free and easy. I've made it a little bit easier to grab this link to my funnel page, okay? So this is the free way to grab that link to your funnel. Now, what I could do is I could go in and I could say in my group, like, hey, register for this, right? And I could then paste that in there. Okay, so there we go. Boom, it's going to take them to my link. Now remember, this is the free way to do it with the link shortener. But down the road, if you are going to be running advertisements and setting up a fully automated attraction system, you need to have a purchased domain. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, any of these other places, they will not let you run ads to a free bit link. They will not do it. So in the future, if that's something that you're going to be doing, then you'll want to go through the full tutorial, make sure that you've purchased a domain, and that's how you can run ads to that. Now, that won't be for everybody, but just so you have that in the back of your mind. Okay, now that you have this link here, okay, so you've just created your own link. Congratulations. You can go put that wherever you want to have that list of links. So if that is, you've just created a work with me page, right? So if you're going through my trainings, you're going through Instant Funnel Magic, you're creating your bridge page, this is where you are going to be grabbing those essential pages, those 3 essential pages that you needed to create. You can then add this link to them and you can add those to your link tree. Okay, so you're going to have a story page, a bridge page, and then like a work with me page for your 3 essential funnels. So there you have it. And if you are watching this and you have not yet registered for the mini course, I believe you can go to instantfunnelmagic.com, I think, and there's like, or somewhere, I'll put the link to go to the free mini course. Otherwise, you can always, for right now, this is a secret offer. Just search for Instant Funnel Magic free swipe file plus mini course, and you can request access to that, and it will be in there. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. And remember, deep breaths, because you're learning technology, you're learning new skills. I know that this feels like a lot, but just remember, this would be like if you were going to college, learning a new skill and like getting a PhD, okay? This is a whole new set of skills. It takes time to learn, so just give yourself grace. Stay plugged in. Okay, stay plugged in. You absolutely can do this. It's just going to take some time to learn. Okay. All right, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already. And if you want to bang your head against the wall and throw your laptop into a pool and you don't want to struggle anymore, I really highly suggest that you check out my membership, which is, I'm a little biased, but I'm thinking it's pretty amazing because we have an incredible group of humans here who are learning step by step how to build their beach money business on autopilot and how to set that up. So if you don't want to struggle anymore and you want to be able to ask somebody personalized questions on how to set up the tech, I highly recommend hopping in here. I go live every single week. Oops, sorry, just dropped my Rishi chocolate elixir. This stuff is so freaking good, by the way. Anyways, so hop on in there with us and you can ask questions and get feedback every single week so you don't have to struggle anymore. And plus, there's $5,000 worth of content in here. Yep. So, okie dokie, there you have it. You can find that link in the bio or the description here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.